Hey, you guys want to see a super heavily edited video of me putting some cabinets up? There I'm showing you guys what screws we're using. And my cousins helped me get that first cabinet up, and then now I had to plane the back of this cabinet because whoever put it together was absolute trash. It was way out of square, and glue had the back plywood sticking up. And then here we go putting it up. You can see I got that block there on the wall, but I clearly don't need it because, as you can tell, I'm jacked. And then we're going to put a clamp up there to help me hold it. And we are using GRK 1 3/4 or 1.5 inches, I can't remember, but GRK trim head screws. And then there we are installing the long filler piece along the pantry. And I'm going to show you the gap here, and it should not be any bigger than that. We're taking the doors off, starting on the other side, using the laser to mark where the studs are. Now, it did not go this efficient. There was a lot going on. I also do other stuff throughout the day, helping the other guys and talking to customers and whatnot. Getting this last one up. If you like the video, like, share, leave a comment, and we'll see you next time.